Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solving one more question in same topic or you say same chapter, admission of partners. Okay. By the solving of these all questions, I will only try to make you all understand. Okay, beta. Easily you understand the how to going to solve the question, how to going to solve the question. Okay. I think we'll remember out the revaluation account, entry, and new profit sharing ratio, then capital account, and last balance sheet. I think you all well understand how to make these all. Start with the new profit sharing ratio, then entry, and then capital revaluation account, then capital account, and after that we are going to make the balance sheet. Okay. Now I am again start one question. The question number is
65.
65.
Yes.
See the question at 65.
Yes.
Okay, 65 beta. Okay. Just start with the first new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. Okay. Start with the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Tell about that.
Gautam and Rahul are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses
Gautam and Rahul. Okay, beta.
in the ratio of 2:3.
2:3.
Their balance sheet at
Okay. That again.
Karim was to be taken as a partner with the effect of
Kareem means K. Okay, beta. Next.
the profit sharing ratio of Gautam, Rahul and Karim would be 5:3:2.
5:3:2.
Yes.
5:3:2. In this case, directly by the question they are giving about the new profit sharing ratio. Then we are going to calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio. Beta. Just set this point in your mind. If in question they are given already new profit sharing ratio, then we are going to calculate what? Sacrificing or gaining ratio. Okay, beta. Sacrificing or gaining ratio. So for that, new ratio minus old ratio. Just check the sacrificing or gaining. New is 5/10 minus 2/5 for G, and for R 3/10 minus 3/5. Okay, just see 10, 10. 5 minus 4. Okay, beta? Clear, ma? 1/10 positive here. 3 minus what amount is coming? 2 times 6. 3/10 in minus. Okay, beta? It's 3/5. It's a 3/10. Okay? Check in the answer. G sacrifice. See in the answer. G sacrifice and R.
No. G
Gains and R
sacrifice.
sacrifice. 3/10.
Yes.
3/10 है बेटा.
3/10.
Just see the question बेटा. 3/10 R what? Sacrifice, and G what? Gain. Okay, clear in question. Read the answer beta. All of you see the answer.
Gautam gains 1/10 share and Rahul sacrifices 3/10 share.
Clear beta. Gautam gain, so positive is coming means gain 1/10, and R sacrifice, so negative is coming 3/10. Who is going to negative? For that we are going to calculate the goodwill for giving to only R, because R sacrifice, so goodwill only take by R. G gain, it means if any person in the partnership again they are gaining some ratio, then that person will take some goodwill, more goodwill, or he take some goodwill. For that we are going to calculate the goodwill of G. How much goodwill come by the G, because G is gaining. Okay, beta. G gaining. Old partner gaining means they will come with the new goodwill. And how we are going to calculate that goodwill? Set in your mind beta this word. If any in the partnership on the time of admission, if the any partner gaining the ratio, so sure and certain they will again come with the goodwill. And how we are going to calculate the goodwill? On the basis of goodwill of K. On the basis of goodwill of K. Just K is admit on the which topic? How much capital they are taking and goodwill?
Capital is 40,000.
Capital 40,000 and goodwill?
10,000.
Goodwill is 10,000. Okay? It's a goodwill and it's a capital. Clear? On the basis of this we are going to calculate. If K 2/10 ratio and his goodwill is 10,000 and he is gaining 1/10, he is gaining 1/10. For G 1/10, it means 1/10 into 10,000 into just opposite 10/2. Correct? It means 5,000. This 5,000 goodwill come by the G. And now we are going for the entry. How we are going to run the entries? Just see. Cash account debit to K capital to goodwill. Goodwill 10,000. K capital 40,000. Total amount 50,000. Okay? Then goodwill distribute. Goodwill account debit and G capital also. G capital debit to R capital because only R sacrifice beta. Only R sacrifice. So 10,000, 5,000 and R 15,000. Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Clear beta? How we are going to calculate the part of goodwill for G? Okay? And then after the calculating of G, we are going to do the entry. Both entry. Clear? Now I am going to make the revaluation account. Okay, I am trying to make here only revaluation account. Clear beta?
Cases are left.
Huh?
Cases are left.
That was taking in the revaluation account. Na? All other cases we are taking in revaluation account. Okay beta? I am going for that make the revaluation account. Entry is finished. Okay, revaluation account beta. Okay, tell the cases.
Provision of doubtful debts would be raised to
Provision of doubtful debt could be raised up to 20%. And debtors 10,000. Debtors beta 10,000. 20% 12,000. Actually debtor 12,000. 20% 2,400. But our provision only 2,000. It's given in the book no beta. Provision 2,000. 2,000 already. Then we are going to make new provision only 400. Okay beta? Old provision that is given in the book beta. 12,000. See in the balance sheet. 12,000 less provision 2,000. Given na? But on the basis of this heading, we are saying just 20%, 12,000, 20%, 2,400. 2,000 are ready, then 4,400 we are going to make new provision. 400. Okay, next.
Gautam would take over the furniture at 22,000.
Gautam take over furniture for 22,000. And value of furniture in balance sheet beta? Value of furniture in balance sheet?
Value of furniture is 25,000.
25,000 and that will sold on the 22,000. 25,000 value of asset but sold in only 22,000. 3,000 loss. Then furniture 3,000 loss. Okay. Next.
Only this.
Only 2 is there. Next, nothing else. Answer is 3,400 loss. revaluation loss. Okay, 3400. Put that side 3400. 3400 by loss 3400 divide in G and R. G and R in the ratio of 3:2. Sorry, 3:2 is not there, na? What is the ratio of G and Y? Old ratio?
Old ratio is 2:3.
2:3 actually. 2:3. Okay? 2:3. Just divide this 3400 into 2:3. Just see. 3400 into 2/5. 3400 into 3/5. Okay? Cut by 5. How much? 6 times 8, 0. 6 times 30, 4, 40, 8, 0. 2, 6, 1360. Okay, and here 0. We are going to multiply by this and this, na? 0, 4, and then 6, 18, 2040. Okay? Clear? Up to this is clear, beta? Now we are going to make the what? Capital account, beta. Capital account. Okay? Clear? Okay. 3 partners there. So again 3 column. X, Y, sorry. G, R and K. G, R and K, and it's a capital account. First we are putting by balance BD. Just tell about the capital. Capital amount.
Capital
G and K, G and R.
G is 40.
In balance sheet. See in the balance sheet.
Capital G is 30,000 and R is 40,000.
30,000 and 40,000. Now we are going with the first entry. Buy cash in K. They are come with the 40,000 meter, na? Capital come with the 40,000. Then buy goodwill and buy G capital in R only, because all the goodwill taken by the R, and here 2 R capital in G 5,000. Okay, beta? This is a posting. Class posting is there because G to R is there, na? By the goodwill. Okay, next loss. Loss here, beta. Loss. We are going to show the loss. Loss 13, 60, 40, 20, 40. Okay, and one person is taking the goodwill, the furniture, beta. Name is what?
Gautam.
Gautam is taking the furniture. Furniture account or revaluation account, both. Okay, taking in 22,000 rupees. Okay, beta? In 22,000. Any goodwill, reserve, PL, workman compensation fund, investment fluctuating fund is given in balance sheet.
General reserve is given.
General reserve. Put this side.
10,000.
10,000. 10,000 divided in a 2:3. 2:3 means 4,000 and 6,000. Anything else?
No.
CSR side goodwill is given
Yes.
in balance sheet.
10,000.
10,000 goodwill again. So that 2 goodwill. 10,000 means again 4,000 and 6,000. Anything else? Now we are going to totaling. Just see first 40,000, 40,000. No problem about that. Next 40,000, 10, 50,000, 5, 55,000, 6, 61,000. Here put 61,000. Then difference 60 rupees 9. Okay. 1, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. 9 and 2, 1. 1 remain, 1 and 5. Okay. 52,960. Just see the R balance of capital.
2,960.
Okay. Then to balance CD, go in balance sheet beta. It came. This 40,000 already came. Just we are going for this. 30,000, 22,000, 4. That's at 34,000. And here 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. That will maximum. Okay. It means this is the 34,000. Just put this side 34,000. Then take the difference 22,000. 30,000. Okay. 32,360. 32,360 means 1,640.
Yes.
Its balance is 1,460. Clear beta? Up to this is clear na? Clear or not? Now we are going for the making the balance sheet. Okay, last. I am going to remove this revaluation account. I think you all will copy this. Then you are going to just remove this. Balance sheet beta. Okay. Start with the capital. This capital. Capital. G, R and K. G 1640, R 52,960 and this 40,000. Okay beta? Just totaling 0 and then again 0. 1 remain. 10, 6, 1 remain. 4, nothing. 9. 94, 640. 600. Okay, go for the cash. Cash is given or not? Tell me about that. Cash.
Bills. Bills.
Cash. Asset side.
Plus 40,000.
Cash is 40,000. We will come with the 40,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000. Okay? 4,000 plus 10,000 and 5,000. 10,000 will come with the cash or not? Read again.
Huh?
Read again that point in which they are coming with the 10,000. New partner?
Karim would bring cash, share of 20,000, capital of 40,000 and share of goodwill valued at 10,000.
10,000. Okay. Then 40, 80, 90, 95,000. Okay. Other assets beta. Next.
Furniture.
Furniture taking by the partners. It means finished. Furniture taking by the partner beta na. G taking then finished. Next.
Stock.
Any change in stock? Anything tell about the stock in revaluation beta? Nothing. Then go for amount
15,000.
50. 15,000. Okay, next.
Sundry debtors.
Okay, sundry debtors. That amount is 12,000. 2,400 less 2,400 then 2,000 is old beta. New provision we are making 2,400 because 20% they are telling beta. They are telling 20%. Then 2,400 6 9. Okay. 10 4 6 1 11 9. Okay. Next after debtor.
Cash in bank.
Cash in bank.
Cash in hand. Good done.
And this cash only cash.
Oh, that's done actually. पहले हो गया इसको.
It's a cash.
Yes.
In the question, two cases given.
No, only
One.
one is given. That one at the top.
And this,
Oh, no, not.
it's not given.
Given, but at the last one it was given. No, two are not given. Only one is given. It is the last one.
And it's a cash in hand. Cash in hand is given. Amount.
That was cash in hand only.
Okay.
Erase that.
Next.
No, only that.
And nothing is there. Only two head, three head.
Three are given.
And one furniture is there. And one goodwill. Goodwill is distributed.
Huh.
And furniture is finished. Only five head is there, na?
Yes.
Check the balance sheet beta because it's very important. Anything you are just miss, your answer will not come. Okay? Just see 006 4 1 is sorry 4 is not there. 5 5 10 9 1 1,19,600 came balance sheet 1,19,600. Okay, this side capital is there. Just see anything else.
Bills payable.
Bills payable
15,000 and sundry creditors 5,000.
5,000. Okay, just see 600. Okay,
That's 14.
it's 14.
Yes.
Six. This is the 15,000, na?
14.
5 5 10 9. It's a 1,14,600.
Yes.
Answer is this only.
Yes.
It means 40,000 cash not given.
It's given. Cash in hand 40,000.
Stock 15,000, furniture, goodwill finished. Then 12, 40,000, 40, 50, 40, 40, 90, 40, 85, 5. Okay, take. Actually, they are not giving. G will come with the cash. G only do with the current capital. Okay, so it's only. Clear? In that question, main problem is this reading of question beta. Okay? Reading of question. Okay? Everyone try to read the question in systematic way. Anything we miss, then question will not come. Okay? And this side, 4 and 1. Okay? Answer is came or not? Came no beta? I am using this 5,000 by the thinking they are in that entry they are coming with the goodwill in cash, but in the question they are not given any type of information कि G will brought the goodwill in cash. G brought the goodwill by the capital way. So when that we are treating the capital is here only, so we are not going to take that goodwill as a cash. Okay, because treating here. Clear? So we are not going to treat it as a cash, and when we are not treating as a cash, so sure and certain here 40, 40 and 10 only 90,000 we are sure. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear or not? Clear na? Okay, thank you.